Welcome to your step-by-step guide on filing beneficial ownership information with CIPC. Launched in April 2023, this register enhances transparency and combats financial crimes. If your company has individuals owning or controlling over 5% of shares, this filing is mandatory. Let's begin. First, visit CIPC's website at cipc.co.za. Click Online Transacting or use the direct link eServices ipc.co.za. Log in with your customer code, password, and security code. Note: you must be a registered CIPC customer. If you are not, have a look at my previous video. After logging in, click Transact. From the menu, select Beneficial Ownership. Read the declaration carefully, tick I agree, and confirm you're authorized to file for the entity. The system shows entities linked to your profile. Select the one you're filing for or search manually. Remember, deregistered or liquidated companies cannot file. Upload a signed mandate from the company. It must include company letterhead, your full name, ID, and CIPC customer code, plus signatures from 50% plus one directors or all CC members. For each beneficial owner, enter their name, surname, and ID/passport number. Foreign owners must upload certified passport copies. Declare ownership percentages of 5% or higher and select their type of control. Choose your company type. Affected companies upload a securities register. Non-affected with ownership do standard filing. Non-affected with no ownership upload a members register. Upload these mandatory documents are 1. Certified ID copy of the filer. 2. Securities register for affected companies. And 3. The mandate letter. See link below to download 2 and 3 examples. Remember to print/convert these documents to PDF before uploading. Click Continue when done. Review the summary and click Submit. You'll receive OTPs via email and SMS. Enter both to validate. Once confirmed, directors will be notified. Your filing is complete. For more guides, leave a comment of what video I should do next. If this helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, share with your friends, and hit the bell for updates.